All right.
Okay.
Ours is Rude Ralph. It's a GPS translator with a little twist where he can be rude to you when he's telling you the directions.
Oh, okay. All right. That makes sense, definitely. Sometimes you just wonder about some of them. You get really tired of that British female voice sometimes
yep.
telling you, turn right. Voice gender, so you can change it to male, female, language. How many languages would you have?
I would say, I don't know, probably about 10. The major languages like French, German, etc.
Okay, so you can do, everything kind of stays the same all the way through, so you're,
Yeah,
everything
try
on
to
each
stay
one
consistent.
stays very consistent. It's very clean. Is it going to always be just white? There's no colors, just the
Well, the background would probably be just white like that. Yeah.
white? Okay. Enable GPS, cut your volume. Adult voiceover, now what does that one do?
It's a little more vulgar than normal Rude Ralph.
Okay.
That would be off by
Take the
default.
damn turn.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Let's see, use wireless networks. Enable GPS satellite, sync with device. Now, sync with device, which devices? This one?
Other
With,
GPS.
like,
Like other GPS devices if you have stuff saved into another GPS.
Ah.
Or if you have another phone that has GPS settings set into it.
Okay, so this one is the GPS, and this would tell you your route. Is there an option that would pop up with a written?
Yes, like there would be like a set of instructions that could be like.
Okay, so it would be
yeah,
step by step, so
directions.
sometimes, you like to see that instead of just the GPS. You read it ahead of time, of course, and not while you're driving. So this one's landmarks, and it would update wherever you went, like if you went off a different
Yeah, it would show like a
direction.
radius of wherever you are, similar to
Okay.
how that, assuming you're in the middle of where it shows in that picture, it would show you whatever's nearby, but
Okay.
like near landmarks.
So landmarks nearby. So nearby is here.
Yeah, and nearby would be like gas stations, restrooms, restaurants.
Campsites, anything.
Okay, I would suggest on the nearby to have that a little more specific. Like, I wouldn't know what nearby meant if you didn't tell me. I guess Rude Ralph could explain it to me in
Right.
his language.
Oh, yeah.
But like all I see is stars. So like something other than a star, like I would like a like the little bathroom icon or something over here,
Right.
or a restaurant icon. Things that are nearby.
Okay.
And I would think that you would be able to set it to what you wanted to see.
Yes.
Would that be
Yeah.
in settings somewhere?
That would be at the very bottom of that where it says enter address,
Address,
location.
location.
You'd click on that and it would pop up with whatever you would want to put in there.
So if you
Kinda like a
want to
drop-down
find
list.
things nearby, you'd like put Pizza Hut here, and you'd hit the nearby. So it'd give you Pizza Huts that were nearby?
Yes.
Is that what that is? So it's not the address that you put over here, it's a different
Right.
address.
Correct.
And will it override that?
No.
Okay.
No,
So
because
it's
those are
on its
technically,
own.
they're all technically separate pages, or
Okay.
separate functions of the app.
That makes sense. Now let's see. And on the settings, so you have your volume. I like this so far. Where is your, oh, you don't need the back buttons because you kept everything right there as
Right.
touchscreen compatible. Okay, and then I really do like that voice gender thing. That was very cool.
And that's all voice recognition, so if somebody's speaking French, it'll recognize that they're speaking French and you would be able to output it to whatever language you want.
And you output it into Rude Ralph in any language.
No, it would actually just output down here.
Okay, so could the address would type out. So
Right, well,
translator to here, it
Well,
would actually.
the enter address isn't supposed to be there.
Oh,
I was gonna say that
So
does seem like a
supposed to be
mistake.
it's supposed to be just output.
Right, yeah.
So you pretty much like have a travel translator as well.
Yeah.
Oh wow, you put a whole lot of different things in here. That
Yeah,
is
so
really
it's like
good.
a mix of GPS. And we just figured it'd be super useful if you're, I don't
Traveling
know,
in a different state, or I mean,
yeah.
I'm saying state, country.
Right, yeah.
Or anywhere like that. So yeah, very nice, very very nice. So where's the close button? The end. Is it just going to be on the phone itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, since all the pages are technically connected through just by clicking it, we figured you'd just close out of the app like you would in any normal app.
Okay. That's really really nice.
And the face would be the one like talking to you.
Oh, it
Whatever.
actually is animated.
Yeah, it could be like an
Oh.
animated voice or something.
So do you
that-
get to pick your own character in settings somewhere?
Like,
you could
yeah.
Have a
probably
male,
switch-
female?
Yeah,
Well,
you
since
could
it's Rude
like make
Ralph.
it a male or
Oh,
female.
Rude Ralph.
Yeah, you might stick to.
A Rude Rachel.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you could do that.
Just saying.
Or the Rude app, something
Just
like
the
that.
Rude app, yeah. Have
Yeah.
male, female kind of character, and they talk to you on each screen, so
Right.
that'd be pretty cool. You missed the damn turn. That's perfect. I like that. That's very, very useful too. Any questions for me? 'Cause I like it.
Is there anything you would add other than changing around the nearby
Yeah,
a
just
little bit?
the nearby and switching up the allowing you to make your own character would be really cool.
Okay.
Just because it'd be more tailored
Personalized, yeah.
and personalized exactly. And if you could, I'd say the Rude app, and then you could name your own.
Yeah.
It'd be
okay.
Rude, whatever.
Right. Okay.
Because some people like to name theirs what it do, X's and stuff. Yeah, that'd be great. I like it. That's about the only thing I'd say. The nearby and maybe a what do they call that? Avatars.
Yeah, just like a character,
Something,
avatar, or
yeah.
something like that. Yeah.
That's about it.
All right. Cool.
Okay.
Great app. Good job.